What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're talking about why you should go fishing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos a week and I do live streams from time to time to help you catch more fish. And I also do series as well, such as the Fishing Fundamentals series, which we're currently in right now. If you want to watch the rest of that playlist, click the little I once you're done watching this video, and you can watch the rest of those. Now let's start talking about why you should go fishing. Why should you go fishing? Well, my first reason is one of my own. It is very peaceful, for the most part. There are times it does get frustrating, but for the most part, when you go out to the lake, whether you're on a boat or on a bank, sitting in your chair with your cooler, you're just going to have a nice, peaceful time. Another reason you should go fishing is to explore nature. I don't do this hardly enough. When I go out to the lake, I'm really just looking for the challenge of fishing. And I really should take some more time and explore nature and see the different parts of the lake that I don't normally travel to. Even on my normal lakes, there's certain parts that I just don't go to. And I probably should explore those a little more, and I might even learn about a great new fishing spot. You should go fishing also to share experiences with others, whether they're there or not. If they're there with you, those memories will be imprinted in their brains permanently. I can tell you hundreds, if not thousands, of stories of me and my dad fishing, me and my grandpa fishing, or just me and my friends fishing. Those memories will always be there, and I always have something to reflect on, even when the times are tough. Fishing is also a very healthy hobby. Whether you're on the bank or on the dock or on the boat, it's a great form of activity, especially if you just want to be outdoors and breathe the fresh air. It's a healthy hobby. It's one that you should get into. And overall, if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, you don't have to. And now if you're into competitive or challenging things, fishing might be right up your alley. There's tournaments, or if you're just looking for a challenge, you can challenge yourself every day to catch the biggest or the most or the smallest, if you want to look at it that way. You can look at catching certain species, or you can look at catching a multitude of species. Fishing can be as competitive or as challenging as you want it to be. And I open the book to you because there's so many different ways to make it challenging and competitive, even if it's just between you and your friends. And this kind of goes with the first one of why I go fishing and why you should go fishing as well, is the relaxation. It gets you away from the day-to-day stress of going to work, doing your job, running this errand, going to pay this bill. Do I need to transfer money in the bank? Do I need to do another loan? Man, can I make my mortgage payment? There's this thing going around that's making me stay at the house. Fishing gets you away from all that. It gets you nice and comfortable and relaxed. It lets you de-stress and get away from the world, and it's just you and nature. And if you don't catch anything, that's okay. I was out in nature, I enjoyed it, and now I'm de-stressed and relaxed. Alright guys, I gave you a few reasons why you should go fishing. Now let me know in the comments below if there's some other reasons I missed and you want everybody to know why you like to go fishing. Now, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. But like always, until next time, get out there and go catch you some fish.